welcome to Stir Fry Tuesday. Oh yeah, baby. Okay, tonight we're doing easy teriyaki beef stir fry. So what I've done first is I'm whacked some rice in my rice cooker and I've given it a 5-minute head start because that's how quick this is to make. Okay, so the first thing we need is 500 grams or half a kilo of beef strips. Now if you're going to do your own, I think you buy steak, like top-side steak and stuff, the really good cuts of meat you want for this. We need 1 brown onion, we need 1 little red chilli, we need 2 heads of bok choy, we need 1 head of brocollini, we need a little bit of oil to splash at the beginning, we need 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, I need a clove of garlic crushed or a big heaped teaspoon of the jar garlic, and we need some teriyaki marinade sauce. Okay, so the one I use for that is this one here. And at the IGA in the Asian section is where I get the teriyaki sauces and that from. I find them to be really, really strong and awesome for things like this. And we just need some sweet chili sauce as well. And that is all we need, my friends. So with the bok choys, I just cut the tops off like a saw. And then I'll cut the bottom bits off, those two. Now you can do it 2 ways. You can do it, a lot of people do it like big and chunky bits. Or you can just do them really thin. I like doing everything really thin. Now with the brocollini, I'll just chop the head off like that. And I'll just roughly chop it a couple of times. Just like that. So I just sliced up the onion, I sliced up the chilli. Make sure you wash your hands after you slice up your chilli or you're going to pay. Get your garlic ready and get a tablespoon, teaspoon measurement ready. Get your wok out and put it on half. Alright, a little bit of oil, whatever oil you've got. We want to put our beef in and we want to cook it until it is just cooked. Alright, once we've got it just cooked, we want to add 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. You want to add your clove of crushed garlic or your heaped teaspoonful of jar garlic. Give it a good mix in. Now you want to add your onion. And your chilli. And we want to cook it for a couple of minutes until the onion goes nice and see-through. Now we want to add 2 tablespoons of the teriyaki sauce. And 1.5 tablespoons of the sweet chili sauce. Alright, we want to give it a good mix through. Once it comes back up to the boil, we want to add our bok choy and our brocollini. And now we want to just keep tossing it around and cook it just for a couple of minutes. And the rice cooker just went off, so how perfect is this? So literally 2 minutes. Oh yeah, baby. It smells amazing up in here. 2 minutes later, and look what you've got. Hey, bang some rice on a plate. Rice on your plate. Oh yeah. Yep, definitely 2 serves. Get some of those juices out. Oh mate, how good does that look? Whack a little wedge of lemon in there for the rice. Mwah! Oh my god, thank you mate. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have yourselves an awesome night. I'll be back.